August 2019 mail call. That's right, I think we got like 4 pieces. Yeah. You know what? Let me show you the board right now and we'll get into opening. I don't want to redo this. Opening the envelopes and show you what we got and who we got it from. Yeah. All right.
Watch it.
Check it out. There's the first board. Look at all that. Yeah, Drive Shaft Drew. Alright, there's my second board. I appreciate all the mail and all the stickers. There's Maddie's massive sticker board that's been sent to her, and she's moved over to her brand new one, and all there is on it is Papa Texas. First one I'm going with is Tim over at the Creative Outdoorsman. He had already sent Maddie and I a sticker. She was waiting to put hers on the new board, and he sent us some Florida Fatwood with a carabiner on it, which we still got to do a video shaving this and lighting it with Nathan 4071 handles and ferro rod and striker and Manland 121's Oreo fire starter. Remember that? Yeah, that video's still to come and probably a couple weeks out by the time we do that, but that's cool. Anyway, what is really cool is Tim sent one to Aubrey, so he sent another mail. That was really cool, Tim. Aubrey does want her own board. She wants to get like her sister, and when someone does send a third one, I am sorry, y'all. We need 2 stickers for sure, because she's in a lot of the videos. But Aubrey wants to be a part of it too. She likes little fun stickers too. You could send her a little cheap fun sticker and she'd like that just as well as she'd rather have that than a channel sticker. Yeah. She's floating out there. Alright. Anyway, one of the cool things is, on this very day, no, yesterday, Tim, the Creative Outdoorsman over there in Florida, really good video using Uncle Steve's shake, but it's the video. He just put together a really good video, and I'd appreciate y'all staying through this whole video. But at the end of the video, of course, Papa Texas be right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put Tim right there. Okay, y'all go check it out.
That's what I am.
Yeah. Anyway, all right, let's move on. Let's see here. Okay, y'all know we're doing box tops at school, and it really, truly helps you out, doesn't it? All right, so I gotta be real careful with these because there's tons of them. Look at all that. Can you see it? I got the light on. That's a box top, okay? So these box tops, they're on items you buy at the store, and the kids collect them at school, and they get points for it. And it sends them their school. It sends them what?
New supplies and technology.
Huh?
New supplies and technology.
New supplies and technology comes back from saving these. So anybody, you get these products just like Vicki Williams from Lynchburg, Virginia. They make videos. She just saves these and send them to the girls. Anybody else that wants to do that, my P.O. box is down in the description. It's over in my About page too. We appreciate it. Yes, almost all these, there's a couple expired ones in here, but most of them, yes, we can use them. And she says, saw your YouTube channel about box tops. I pray you can still use these. Yes, we can, Vicki, and you know what? We really, truly appreciate that. When they raise these, when they turn these in, they do not do it at an individual level. They do it at a schoolroom level. So it's not like if I get a lot in through, or if she gets a lot in through me and it goes to her, it's not like she's the queen of the box tops. Her class is. but the whole school benefits from it. So don't throw those things away. Put your little cheap stamp on there and mail them to Maddie. That's right. Oh, Rob Painless, he was saving these up and he did not know why he was saving them. And then he saw us. He said, it was meant to be. I was meant to send them to you and save them up to send them to you. That was awesome. I'm going to stop this real quick. One quick thing about Rob Painless, and I'm going to add his link down below. I'd really appreciate it if you went over his last video. He's talking about someone else that his wife passed away from cancer, Mike Agri. But there was a horrible accident this last week at Wednesday night. Rob's 3 daughters, 14, 16, and 18, were traveling in a car and were hit by a head-on collision from a car going the wrong way. 2 of his daughters died. Third one's in ICU. Prayers to Rob Painless and his family. I've been connected with him on YouTube for years, and that is really heartbreaking. It's really been weighing on me. So I don't know, out of clear blue, put that out there, and give me a minute and we'll continue on. The Gallery Backyard Barbecue. He sent Maddie and I both a sticker, so we both get to put them on our sticker boards. Yeah. Alright, Gallery Backyard Barbecue. The Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Awesome outdoor cooking and recipes. Okay, his last one that I saw just a couple days ago, and he didn't tell me it was him. I just opened this up. But it was about barbecue boneless rib sandwiches, and it was a really good video. You could learn from it, and you'll want to copy that and make your family proud and happy. Yeah. The last one is from John S. over there in Ozone Park, New York, and he sent me a sticker of the Knights of Columbus, Council number 197. Alright, let me tell you about him real quick and we'll show you the board. Alright, so John S., he just started making videos, and he started feeding raccoons from his kitchen window, and he was just filming it and putting it on there and stuff like that. So that's where the start of it came. Check them out, see what you think. The Knights of Columbus, if you don't know, it's a non-profit charity helping others. Alright? Pretty cool. We need more things like that. Alright, let's get the stickers on our board and we'll be right back. Alright, I put the Gallery Backyard Barbecue right there, John S. right there, right next to Tim, the creative outdoorsman. Go see his video I told you about. I'm going to leave a link to it at the end. And here's everybody else. Look at all those on there. Pissy Minimalist Barbecue Pit Dog. Yeah. Frugal RV Gal, Blind Views, Pickles. That's who makes my stickers. There's my old board, Drive Shaft Drew. There's Maddie's old board. Look at that. She's even got a Jack's drink water. Yeah. Here's her new board. I know it's getting dark. She put a Gallery Backyard Barbecue right there, and then over here she put John S.'s and Tim. Alright, that's what we have. You know her board's gonna fill up just like her other board. That is so awesome that y'all add an extra sticker for her. P.O. box is down below. Mail calls once a month. It's Papa Texas and Maddie. Hit that bell, turn notifications on. Yeah. Big W made me that. Oh, the Bobcat guy had that made for me. Yeah. See ya.